Afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. So today Richard and Owen have been working on this 2019 VW Arteon. It's a 3H chassis and we don't see many Arteons, to be honest, but when we do, it's generally for the same type of equipment that we fitted today. Had a highline motorised Emblem reversing camera fitted and also the electric tailgate retrofit. So basically this vehicle came into us with, of course, a motorised Emblem, but with nothing apart from factory optical parking sensors, and is now leaving us with a motorised Emblem with the highline reversing camera in there, all connected to the 5F drive in the glove box and the lovely tablet style display on the front with the moving guidelines. At the same time, the electric tailgate. So what we have done is we have removed the manual telescopic gas rams or struts for the boot lid, and we have replaced them with electronic ones. Most of these other cars that we do in the VW range only have one powered electric strut. This has got dual because it's a bigger car, bigger tailgate. So these are the new electric powered ones here. Cabling gets run down into the rear quarter, connected to a module, and then wiring gets routed to the front to pick up CAN bus data and power and everything else. We also then fit a new actuator inside the boot lid and a new button. Some of the buttons need to be cut in, others just have a blank ready for us to be able to put the button in and wire it up. So when you're outside the vehicle and it's locked, you can unlock and open the boot lid with the remote control key fob. They don't need to be programmed. You can also open it from opening the motorised Emblem, again if the vehicle's unlocked. And then when you're inside the vehicle, you've also got the driver's door switch. Now, we can only get the driver's door switch to work if it's already present in the vehicle. But when you're outside the vehicle and the boot lid is open, you can just simply press the button like so. And if you're inside the vehicle and you've got the ignition on, you can press and hold the internal driver's door button, and that will close as a nice comfort feature. Now, we do see that these features do differ, because some of them will let you press and hold and let go, well, press, hold and then let go. Others you need to press and hold as a safety feature. I'm guessing it just purely comes down to software. In this particular vehicle, press and hold on your key fob for 2 seconds will open, and also on here. So I'll just example now, just lift up like that. This is a genuine VW kit. It's not from the Far East. There's no clunky movements. It does exactly what you want it to do and seamlessly. So you've got reliability and seamless integration. Same with the reversing camera. So what we do is jump round to the driver's door, show you the door switch in there, and then show you the view from the reversing camera as well. Right, stood by the driver's door now. If I lift the button and let go, the boot lid will release, and that's no different to if you are pressing and holding the key fob for the vehicle, either key fob. At the same time, if the ignition is on, I now press and lift the same button, which will also then shut the boot lid, but you can't on this particular model lift and then let go. Job done. So that is the VW Arteon electric tailgate, and this is 2019 3H model, highline reversing camera, electric tailgate, all the mods, all the mod cons, etc, etc. If you want a feature or product like this, get in touch with us. Website links in the bio. Don't forget to tell your friends and family, and as usual, thank you for watching.